Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Tech Steps. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to create a Microsoft account using your Gmail address. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft account creation page at account.microsoft.com. When the website opens, click on the avatar icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the login screen. Since we need to register, click on Create One. Next, enter your Gmail address and click Next. Create a password for your Microsoft account. Select your country and date of birth. At this point, Microsoft will send a verification code to the Gmail address you entered earlier. Check your email, retrieve the code, and enter it here. Then click Next. Now, Microsoft will ask you to verify that you're not a robot. Follow the instructions to answer the question prompts. Depending on the situation, the questions may vary. Sometimes, you may need to answer multiple sets of questions. For example, in my case, I had to complete 3 rounds, each consisting of 9 questions, before passing this step. Once you've completed this step, you'll see a message saying, Verification complete, which means you've successfully created your Microsoft account using Gmail. At this stage, you can add a phone number, a recovery email, and even set up an avatar to make your Microsoft account more complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Easy Tech Steps, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.